Need to fix the WinCore XState DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the professional restoration of this core file. Before we get started with WinCore XState, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This is the WinCore XState, a specialized extended processor state, XState Shim. It manages the unmanaged redirection of CPU state-saving calls, AVX, Intel MPX, to the kernel, mandatory for high-performance localized software and modern gaming stability. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. Since WinCore XState DLL belongs to the Windows System Core, manual replacement is not recommended. Instead, run sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt to scan for corruption and restore your system's protected components. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the WinCore XState component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Protect your workstation by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for WinCore XState DLL, as most free repositories prioritize ad revenue over file safety, often leading to the installation of obsolete or harmful software. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. For users impacted by missing library references, the repair tool linked below provides general background information on WinCore XState. If this fix repaired WinCore XState dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.